Hello, what's up? It's your girl Shay Shay MUA, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Well, I hope you all are having an amazing day today. So I thought it would be a great idea for me to come on here and just share some of the products that I recently purchased. I'm going to give my honest opinion because I do not want my name on anything where I've lied. So let's just jump right into it. One of my most favorite setting powders would be the Laura Mercier, and it is a translucent powder. It's sort of off-white, but when I tell you, it is amazing when setting your concealer underneath the eye or just really setting the entire face. It looks like this. And like I said, it is an off-white powder, so don't be alarmed when setting your foundation as well as your concealer because it literally disappears. But this is what it looks like. And the second setting powder that I'm going to share with you is by Bakerie. And it's so cute, like the packaging. You all know the term of baking, literally. Like, this is the cutest packaging ever. And I mean, whoever thought of this was brilliant. Like, this packaging is everything. It looks just like flour. This is what it looks like. And this powder is off-white as well. My honest opinion about this particular setting powder, which is also a translucent powder, is that it works awesome on the entire face. Now, if you want that matte, dewy look, this is definitely the product. However, it does not work well underneath my eyes. Now, I don't know if it's because I have really big eyes and it just doesn't work well with mine. However, I've heard that it worked with others, but I normally use the Laura Mercier underneath the eye because it really just sets everything and locks everything in place. I will either use my Laura Mercier for my entire face, or I may just do Laura Mercier underneath the eye, and I would use this setting powder over the entire face, and it really looks so nice. So if you want something that will really also lock your face in place, try this. And this may work underneath your eyes, but it just didn't work for me. So yeah. Now on to primer. I went into Sephora and I asked, you know, for some help in terms of finding another primer. I normally use Becca Poreless Primer and Smashbox. I wanted to try something different just because, you know, sometimes I get so used to using one product and I want to try something different. Next product I will be sharing with you is the No Pore Blem Primer. And I must say that this primer is awesome. This primer really allows your foundation to just glide on. So you can find this at Sephora. If you are looking to just try out a new primer, I would highly suggest this brand. But that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this mini review. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And until next time, keep smiling.